How to tighten your skin naturally. As you get older, your skin naturally becomes less elastic and more fragile. Decreased production of natural oils dries your skin and makes it appear more wrinkled. Fat in the deeper layers of your skin diminishes. This causes loose, saggy skin and more pronounced lines and crevices. In this article we are going to show you how to tighten your skin in all natural way. You don't have to spend too much money on plastic surgeries or expensive body creams. These all-natural remedies will help you tighten your skin in a very short period of time. Here's what you need to do. Apply astringent to tighten sagging skin. You should apply astringents topically on the skin surface in order to fix the skin tissues. You should apply astringents every day. We can easily say that this is probably the best all-natural method to make your skin tight. This homemade method is very useful and beneficial in fixing pores, controlling oil and fixing the skin and eliminating wrinkles. You can use this method in your home. Here's what you need to do. Just mix lemon juice, nectar, rosemary, and witch hazel. All these all-natural skincare ingredients have powerful astringent properties, which are very useful in minimizing the skin pores, and it will make your skin smooth and tight. Eat healthy foods to tighten loose skin. Healthy diet is also very important if you want to have tight and healthy skin. You should eat healthy foods, which contains high amounts of healthy nutrients such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. And make sure you avoid foods that contain high amounts of sugar and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to hydrate your skin and make it smooth and healthy. Facial exercises to tighten sagging skin. You should also know that these facial exercises are very effective and useful way to tighten the skin on your face. These facial exercises activate the muscles on your face, which will help you tighten your sagging skin without undergoing plastic surgery. There are many different facial exercises that are very effective in firming and fixing the muscles in the skin on your cheeks, eyes, lips, neck, and brows. Use cucumber to tighten loose skin on face. You should also know that cucumber is very useful and beneficial for a healthy and smooth skin. Here's what you need to do. Take one cucumber, chop it into small pieces and squeeze the juice. Then, you need to apply this cucumber juice on your face and leave it until it's dry. When it's all dry, you need to wash it with warm water and let it dry. This homemade method will hydrate and fix your skin. It will minimize the pore. You can also use this cucumber remedy to reduce the under-eye wrinkles, crow's feet, dark circles, and swelling under the eyes. Drink enough water to tighten loose skin. Make sure you drink plenty of water every day in order to keep your body and skin hydrated. You should drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day. You should also know that water will help you flush and eliminate all harmful toxins from your organism, and it will hydrate, firm and fix your skin. Apply sunscreen to reduce skin sagging on face. Don't spend too much time on the sun, because frequent sun exposure can lead to premature aging and skin wrinkles. You should also know that crow's feet and wrinkles usually appear if you stay too long on the sun and due to the damaging effects of UV rays. This is why you should apply sunscreen 30 minutes before you go out on the sun. Regular facial massaging to tighten sagging skin. One of the best natural skin tightening methods is a facial massage. Natural face massage helps to tighten loose skin tissues that give flabby and puffy skin. Massaging your face and neck with aloe vera will moisturize and tighten your skin in all natural way. You can also use castor oil. Castor oil is the best natural ingredient for reducing wrinkles, and it will make your skin tight, firm, and smooth. Use natural oils to tighten loose skin on face. Loose and sagging skin does not look good at all. If you want to improve the health of your skin, then you should use some all-natural oils. There are many different types, such as avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and jojoba oil can help you get the firm skin of your early 20s. So, when you use these healthy all-natural oils work together with other natural ingredients like shea butter and natural vitamin E. Natural skin tightening oils are safe, healthy, and effective for getting rid of loose skin. These all-natural oil are found in almost every face care product. Apply instant face tightening mask to tighten loose skin. You can make a homemade facial mask with just 2 ingredients, lemon juice and egg white. This homemade lemon egg white facial mask is one of the best skin tightening tips. Egg white mask will lighten and temporarily tighten the skin on face. Put some drops of lemon in the egg white and mix it thoroughly until it is light and frothy. Apply this all-natural egg white and lemon mask to your face and neck and leave it on for 15 minutes. After that, you need to wash it off with lukewarm water. You will be amazed by the results. Use creams for tightening skin without surgery. Well, you probably know that sagging skin can make you look and feel old as much as wrinkles will. But it's your lucky day, because there are plenty of skin firming and tightening creams, such as our shea butter, which can help your facial skin regain its once youthful appearance. You should start using an anti-aging cream with proven ingredients that helps to firm and tighten loose sagging skin on the face and the neck area. You should always buy anti-aging creams that contain natural skincare ingredients such as coenzyme Q10, wacom extract, grapeseed oil and avocado oil. These anti-aging creams will help tighten up the sagging skin effectively. These natural anti-aging ingredients have the ability to help your body produce a raised level of collagen and elastin, leading to firmer, tighter skin. Many people also use copper peptide creams to tighten and firm the saggy skin on their face and neck. Apply baking soda for tightening sagging skin on face. You should make a baking soda paste, water and baking soda, and use it as an all-natural scrub and tightener. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water and massage into your facial skin for a minute. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can slough off dead skin cells from the face, soften your complexion, as well as help tighten the pores. Before applying this skin firming paste on your entire face, apply it on a small skin area on the inside part of your elbow and make sure no allergic reactions occur. You should definitely try these homemade skin tightening methods. You will be amazed by the results. Your skin will be tight, firm and smooth, and you can do that without any surgical procedures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.